Many of us are too busy to find enough time to do our household chores. Fortunately, we can hire part-time cleaners to keep our homes clean for us. But exactly what chores can they help us with? Here are some tasks you can outsource at home. Number 1. Vacuuming and mopping. Vacuuming and mopping the floors can take much of our time. You can save yourself from the trouble by letting the cleaner do a thorough job. Number 2. Dusting. Have dusty decorations and furniture? If you don't want to risk breathing dust in, have the helper remove them for you. Number 3. Cleaning the kitchen. A dirty kitchen is a haven for pests. From your kitchen appliances to your cabinets, there are so many surfaces to clean. The part-time cleaner can clean up any mess to bring your kitchen back in order. Number 4. Scrubbing bathrooms. Bathroom tiles and fixtures can collect bacteria, mold, and grime. The helper can scrub your bathroom regularly to keep the dirt at a minimum. Number 5. Washing and changing linens. No time to wash and change your own sheets? Have the cleaners do it so you come home to a spotless bed. Number 6. Window and mirror cleaning. Part-time cleaners can also wipe down your glass windows and mirrors to remove streaks and smears. Number 7. Waste disposal. If you forgot to take the garbage out of the house, there's no need to worry. The helpers can dispose of your rubbish and clean the waste bins as well. Number 8. Laundry. Do you not have time to do your laundry at home or visit the laundromat? Part-time house helpers can also take care of your laundry needs. They can even iron your clothes. Number 9. Organizing. Are your closets, shelves, and drawers always cluttered? If you're always too busy to organize your things, why not have the cleaners do it? Don't wait for spring before you do your house cleaning. Contact Kung Fu Helper today for scheduled cleaning sessions with our part-time professionals.